Hey gang, I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and fastest growing industries in the world, video games. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own video game business and making money doing what you love? Well, this is your golden ticket to learning how to build, launch, and scale a successful gaming empire. Whether you want to develop the next Fortnite, GTA, or Minecraft, or you're thinking about launching a gaming studio, an esports brand, or even a game streaming business, I've got the ultimate guide for you. Let's break it all down step by step. The gaming industry is booming, worth over $200 billion and growing every year. With millions of gamers worldwide, the opportunities are endless. But how do you break into the industry? First, you need to decide what kind of gaming business you want to start. Are you passionate about game development, mobile games, PC gaming, virtual reality, cloud gaming, or NFTs in gaming? Maybe you want to start an indie game studio, launch a gaming accessories brand, or become a content creator on YouTube, Twitch, or Kick. Whatever your path, the key is finding your niche and owning it. Now, let's talk about how to create a video game and turn it into a business. If you want to develop a game, you need to learn game design, programming, and monetization strategies. Popular game engines like Unreal Engine, Unity, and Godot make it easier than ever for beginners to start building games. You don't need to be a coding expert. There are no-code and low-code tools available to help you. Once you have your game idea, create a prototype, test it, and improve it based on feedback. But here's the secret sauce: marketing and monetization. Just making a great game isn't enough. You need to get it in front of players. Use platforms like Steam, the App Store, Google Play, and the Epic Games Store to distribute your game. Monetize through ads, in-game purchases, DLCs, battle passes, and even subscriptions. But what if you don't want to build games and you just want to make money in gaming? No problem. Let's talk about the top gaming business models that can make you serious cash. Game streaming and content creation are exploding, with millions of people watching streamers every day on Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. If you're great at a game, have a fun personality, or can entertain an audience, this is a great way to build a brand and monetize through sponsorships, ads, and donations. Another powerful business model is esports. The esports industry is expected to hit $3 billion soon, and you can make money by starting your own esports team, tournament hosting company, or gaming coaching service. Imagine running a competitive team in games like Call of Duty, Valorant, League of Legends, or FIFA. Sponsorships, merchandise sales, and prize winnings can turn this into a multi-million-dollar business. If you prefer selling products, consider launching a gaming accessories brand. Sell custom controllers, gaming keyboards, headsets, or even gaming chairs. Look at how brands like Scuf, Razer, and HyperX dominate the market. You can start by sourcing products from manufacturers and building your brand through TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube marketing. Another hot area is NFT gaming and blockchain-based games. Games like Axie Infinity and The Sandbox have made millions by letting players earn real money. If you're into tech and crypto, this could be a massive opportunity. Now, let's talk about how to grow your gaming business fast. Marketing is key. Use TikTok trends, viral YouTube shorts, Twitter gaming communities, and influencer collaborations to gain traction. Build a Discord server to create a loyal community around your brand. Run giveaways, launch early access, and use crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter to raise funds for your game or business. And most importantly, network with other gamers, developers, and investors. Attend gaming conventions like E3, PAX, and Gamescom to connect with industry leaders. Monetization is where the magic happens. Whether you're selling a game, running a gaming blog, streaming, or selling gaming gear, focus on multiple income streams. YouTube ad revenue, Twitch subs, Patreon memberships, affiliate marketing, and brand sponsorships can turn a small business into a 6 or even 7-figure empire. If you're serious about making gaming your full-time career, invest in yourself. Learn game development, marketing strategies, business scaling techniques, and financial management so you can stay ahead of the competition. The best part? You don't need millions of dollars to start. With a laptop, internet connection, and creativity, you can start your video game business from home and scale it as you grow. Many successful indie developers and gaming entrepreneurs started small before hitting it big. The key is consistency, innovation, and smart monetization. Whether you want to develop a new hit game, launch a gaming merch store, or become a top gaming content creator, the gaming industry is waiting for you to take your shot. If you've been dreaming of turning your love for gaming into a profitable business, there has never been a better time to start. The industry is booming, and the opportunities are endless. So go out there, take action, and start your journey toward financial freedom through gaming. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more business and money-making strategies in the gaming world. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's build your gaming empire together.